Hi, I'm John Gurnig from the Fel-Pro Field Test Garage in Skokie, Illinois. Here to talk to you today about the use and misuse of sealers out there on our gaskets. So first I'm going to talk to you a little bit about our Perma Torque MLS or multi-layer steel head gasket. These gaskets go on absolutely dry. No sealer at all, no spray tack, no nothing. They go on dry. The coating on these gaskets is designed to seal any minor surface imperfections that could be on the block or the head castings. So nothing, no RTV, dry. Don't grab anything, just put this gasket in place, install your head, bolt it up. Now, some of our other gaskets, such as our PermaDryPlus intake gaskets, they may require you to apply a little bit of sealer at a joint, such as where this intake gasket meets the end seal. So just a little dab, you don't need to goop it all up. There's no RTV that needs to be applied at any of the intake ports or coolant ports or along the edge of the intake end seal. Just where these two joints come together, that's where the RTV needs to go. Don't overdo it. You'll find in our sets that we do include RTV, but we don't give you so much that you can't overuse it. So just a little bit right at those joints, that's very important. Some of our other intake gaskets, such as like on the GM 3134, you're going to use RTV to create your intake manifold end seal. So just enough there to create that end seal and go at the corner of this joint. Do not apply it to the coolant ports or to the intake ports. You're going to cause the gasket to split, extrude, cause leakage, and cause a customer comeback. On our PermaDry oil pan gaskets and PermaDryPlus oil pan gaskets, these go on dry. Sometimes there may be a spot where the timing cover meets the block, a little dab of RTV at that joint, that's it. Nothing between the oil pan and the gasket. Install these dry. A lot of applications you're going to find are snap-ups in the box to help you install this gasket dry. So no sealers, just at the joints. And our PermaDry valve cover gaskets like this one here, dry. No sealer, nothing. Install this gasket. It's a press-in-place gasket. It's going to lock in place into the valve cover and put that valve cover on the cylinder head, torque it up to specifications, and you're good to go. So I hope that kind of covers the use of where sealers need to go on Fel-Pro gaskets out there in the engine repair market. I'm John Gurnig from Skokie, Illinois, from Fel-Pro, and I'll see you around.